Hey, good morning, everybody. Let's dive into nature this morning. I hope everything's going well for you today.
Le cochon.
Le cochon. Le pig.
La souris.
La souris. The mouse.
Cochon. C'est le plus beau chat de la ville.
This is the most beautiful cat in the village. This is the most beautiful cat in the city. Village. Chase, come on.
Duo, tu es la plus gentille chouette.
Duo, you are the most nice owl. Duo, you are the kindest owl.
C'est le plus beau cochon. Est le plus gros cochon. C'est le plus beau cochon.
Sorry, I'm having a little trouble hearing her this morning.
C'est le plus beau cochon. Gros, beau.
Most beautiful.
Ce cheval est vraiment gros.
This horse is really big. Fat. Gross.
Ces souris sont grosses.
These mice are gross. Are fat. How do you say big? I thought it was fat. Here we go.
Gros.
Duolingo always changing stuff up.
Il y a beaucoup de cochons dans ce village.
There are a lot of pigs in this village. These mice are too fat.
Moi. Les gros.
Gros.
Ensemble. 5.
5.
C'est le plus beau village.
C'est le plus beau village. C'est le
Plus.
vieilli. Église de
Village.
village.
C'est la plus grosse souris de la maison.
C'est la plus grosse souris de la maison. This is the fattest mouse in the house. This is the smallest village in France.
Ce est
c'est le plus
Petit.
No, let's go with village
Petit. Petit.
Village petit. I think it comes after. De France.
France.
Plus petit village. These mice are fat. Yo.
C'est. Sont. Grosse.
Ce est
le
plus petit village de France.
And there we are. Now I know mice and pigs in French. Yeah. Let's keep it going.
Le lapin.
Le lapin. That looks like it should be Wulff. Lapin. More than rabbit. L'éléphant.
La pelouse.
La pelouse.
Cette pelouse est très belle.
This grass is very beautiful. Who says that? I guess if you walked by someone's house and it was freshly mowed and it was nice and thick, you'd say this grass is beautiful.
L'éléphant.
And then lay down and take a nap on it.
Ces lapins sont blancs.
Did he just say I've learned 10 words? These rabbits are white. Follow the white rabbit.
J'aime visiter les jardins.
I love to visit the gardens. I like to visit gardens. Ces lapins sont blancs.
Ce sont les plus grands animaux.
Ce sont les plus grands animaux. These animals are the biggest.
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
What the elephants are of animals rapid? Are elephants fast animals? I still don't really have a handle on what eska actually, how that translates. Because there's no question word in this sentence. Like what, where, who, when. What does eska mean? I've got to figure that out.
Les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles. Les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles.
Les éléphants
Éléphant.
ont
Ont.
plus
Plus.
grandes
Oreilles.
oreilles.
Les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles.
Elephants have big ears.
Les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles.
I know I was missing something. Have the biggest ears.
Est-ce que le chat va attraper la souris?
What the cat going to trap the mouse? Is the cat going to catch the mouse?
Attraper.
Attraper. To catch.
Attraper.
Attraper. Les enfants ont les oreilles.
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides? Rapide? The cat wants to catch the mouse. The cat wants to catch the mouse. Are elephants fast animals? L'éléphant sont rapides Animal rapide. That's how I would say it.
Ce. Que. Éléphant. Son. Rapide.
I knew it. I knew it was wrong. Always use day before plural nouns when the exact number isn't important. Day means some in this case. Il y a des arbres. Arbre. Arbre. Brr. What beautiful gardens.
Quel.
Beau.
Beau.
Jardin.
Jardin.
Are elephants fast animals? S.
Est.
Ce. Que.
Que.
Le.
Éléphant.
Les éléphants sont
Des.
animaux
Rapide.
rapides. There we are. There we are.
Ici, la campagne est belle.
Ici, la campagne est belle. Here, the countryside is beautiful.
Ces chevaux sont très grands.
Ces chevaux sont très grands. These horses are very big.
Campagne.
Campagne.
Les souris font trop de bruit.
Les souris font trop de bruit. So let's see, we know the mice font. Oh, is that that's the making verb to do, the making verb thing. Too much.
Bruit.
Noise, really? It's strange.
Tu entends les chats?
Do you understand the cats? Is that what that says? Do you understand the cats?
Entends.
Tell me that doesn't mean understand. What are you gonna do? Tu entends les chats?
Bruit.
Bruit.
Ce cheval est le plus rapide.
Ce cheval est le plus rapide. This horse is the fastest in the world.
J'entends le chien.
I understand a dog.
Les chevaux font du bruit. Font. Bruit.
The horses make noise.
Campagne. Campagne.
Do you hear this noise?
Garçon. Cheval. 2. 1.
Sorry, I didn't have time.
Tu entends les chats?
Tu entends les chats? Do you hear the cats? C'est un cheval
Cheval.
marron.
À la campagne, j'entends les chevaux.
À la campagne, j'entends le cheval. Oh, les chevaux. He always makes it harder for me, that damn owl. I prefer the countryside. Je Je
Préfère.
préférais la
La.
campagne.
Camp-
I should have listened to how she said it.
Campagne.
Campagne.
Campagne. Je entends.
J'entends le
Chien.
chien. Do 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 do. I might try to bang out this in one lesson, in one video.
L'oiseau.
L'oiseau. The bird. The boat.
Le bateau.
Le bateau. What the hell is that got to do
Il
with
y a un
nature?
oiseau sur le bateau.
There are a bird on the boat. There is a bird. There's a bird on the boat.
Les oiseaux mangent.
Les oiseaux mangent. The birds eat. Are eaten.
Ils ont 2 bateaux.
Ils ont 2 bateaux. They ont have 2 boats. Ont to have. Les oiseaux.
Il aime bien pêcher.
He like very much pêcher. He likes to fish. Okay, I can see that, pêcher.
Est-ce qu'il y a des poissons dans ces rivières?
What that is there of fish in these rivers? What in the hell? Who needs all those words to ask a question? Are there fish in these rivers? I need to see if anybody has the same issue as me with all these words that nobody has a problem with Esquio Ilia shit. Nobody cares but me. That's my life.
Oiseau.
I didn't even need to hear it. But I probably did need to hear it. I need to make sure I know how to say it. These birds are very beautiful. Ces oiseaux sont très beaux. There we are.
Oiseau. Prêt.
Mm.
Aïe, garçon.
Wow. He likes to fish.
Ils ont 2 bateaux.
Ils sont 2
2
bateaux.
bateaux.
So in this case, they have 2 boats, right? Or he is 2 boats. Because ils sont. When you say it, how do you differentiate?
Ils ont 2 bateaux.
I mean, I guess you're not going to say. Well, see, here's the problem. It would be they have or they are 2 boats. They have 2 boats.
Est-ce qu'il
I
y a des
guess you know
poissons dans ces
from-
rivières?
I guess you know that people can't be boats in French, so you don't worry about that. Est-ce qu'il y a des poissons dans ce rivière? It was tired. It's like, okay, you take too long. Gave it to me anyway. They have two boats. Ils
Ils ont
ont deux bateaux.
bateau.
This is the most beautiful boat.
Plus beau. Bateau.
Perfect.
Ces oiseaux chantent la nuit.
These birds sing at night. Okay, I'm glad I don't live there, wherever that is.
L'oiseau vole dans le ciel.
The bird. Ugh, sorry. The bird blank in the sky. Let's go with the bird is flying. Oops. Let's use the right word. Flying in the sky.
La nuit, les oiseaux ne chantent pas.
La nuit, les oiseaux ne chantent pas.
Les week-ends, nous allons à la campagne.
On the weekend, we go to the countryside.
Les parcs de Paris sont très beaux.
Les parcs de Paris sont très beaux. I'm sure they are. I want to see them someday.
L'oiseau vole dans le ciel. Vole. Le ciel.
J'adore les chouettes.
J'adore les chouettes. I love owls.
Elle adore entendre les oiseaux.
She loves to understand the birds.
La nuit, tu peux entendre les chouettes.
La nuit, tu peux entendre le chouette.
Duo, aimes-tu voler?
Duo, do you love to fly? Do you like to fly? So that whole M2 thing, they don't really say that in French anymore. Where you reverse the words to make it a sentence, they don't do that. Geraldine told me that. She said that's old school and that's not anything we do anymore. But I guess you gotta know it in order not to use it, right?
La. La 1. Voler, tard.
They like to spend their weekends on the boat. No. Ils aiment passer leur week-end sur leur bateau.
Vraiment. Nager, lire. Lire. 9.
I love J'adore.
J'adore.
The park. Nope. Les parcs de Paris. La nuit. Tu peux entendre les chouettes. Oh, I guess there's no singing verb at night. There's no singing verb in this sentence, I mean. La nuit, tu peux les chouettes. There we are. I need a skip button. Skip all that shit. Excusez-moi. Are elephants fast animals? Okay, let's go with these words that mean nothing. I don't know why that needs to be there, but it needs to be there. Est-ce que... Oh, shit. In English, we say a black cat, but in French, we say it's a cat black. Okay. I was so close. At night, you can hear the owls. La nuit, tu peux entendre les chouettes. C'est c'est the most village small. My goodness. Try the hardest exercises from level 0. You see I'm not doing well anyway. Why are you going to give me the hardest duo? This is the biggest mouse in the house. Est-ce que les souris mangent le chat? Mange.
Les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles. Éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles. C'est une grosse souris.
C'est une grosse souris.
Je ne peux rien entendre.
Je ne peux rien entendre.
Je ne peux rien entendre.
I can't hear anything.
C'est la plus grosse souris de la maison.
C'est la plus grosse souris de la maison.
Ils aiment passer leur week-end sur leur bateau. Aiment passer leur week-end sur leur bateau.
Campagne.
I see.
Beaucoup de fleurs dans les jardins du village.
I'm getting comfortable now. I think I know everything.
Il y a beaucoup de fleurs dans les jardins du village. Ah. Beaucoup de
There are a lot of flowers in the village gardens. In the gardens. Are elephants fast? Est-ce que les enfants sont des animaux rapides? Shit. Les plus petits villages de France. Got it. Campagne. Lesson complete. Come on. Level complete. Extra boost found. Moving on up. Okay. That does it for this morning. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. I hope you learned something. Bye.